Sishui is a beautiful place and the birthplace of Confucius. It is a holy land with a long history and profound culture. As the Chinese saying goes, it is such a delight to have a friend coming from afar. Today, Sishui is opened, inclusive and flourishing. We sincerely invite friends from home and abroad to visit our beautiful country. Hospitable China, hospitable Shandong. Welcome to China's springtown, Sishui. Shandong Sishui Haiyun Food Processing Machine Company Limited, formerly state-owned Shandong Flour Machinery Factory, founded in 1951, is a national high-tech enterprise unit. Now, it has more than 100 patented technologies. It integrates design, production, manufacturing, sales, installation, and commissioning, personnel training, after-sales service. The company covers an area of more than 60,000 square meters, including 20,000 square meters of processing workshop. With a registered capital of 12 million CNY, the company has strong economic strength, excellent production environmental conditions, advanced production technology and equipment, mature production and manufacturing system, rich production and manufacturing experience, high-quality staff, first-class research and development, deliver and implement strict operation specifications and product inspection standards to ensure the high quality of products and services.
Our advantages are as follows. Number one, many years of the manufacturing experience. It has more than 70 years of great processing equipment, manufacturing experience. Number two, formidable research and development ability. It has an advanced research and development with other ranks, research and development center, professional, technical engineer team, and research and development personnel. Master the latest technology in this industry to provide each customer with other ranks, the most economical, the fastest service. Number three, advanced processing equipment. It has the most advanced laser cutting machine center and efficient forging prepared in the field, as well as the largest CNC machine center and the special paid production in the field. Number four, professional installation team. It has the professional installation team. Most of the installation engineers have more than 10 years of the experience, has the rich installation experience to ensure the quality and the duration of projects for customers.
The company's leading product is a complete set of grain flour processing equipment, which can undertake the turnkey project of a complete set of production equipment for daily processing of corn, barley flour, corn grits and flour, rice, millet, sorghum flour of 10 to 500 tons per 24 hours. The company has successfully developed equipment for oat rice, oatmeal, buckwheat and buckwheat flour, buckwheat flakes, highland barley and highland barley flour, soybean peeling flour, cassava flour, bean flour, and chili flour. Their products sell well in more than 20 provinces, cities, and autonomous regions in China, and are exported to America, Sweden, South Korea, Japan, Mongolia, Iran and Philippines, Nigeria, Algeria, Angola, Ethiopia, Uganda, Mozambique, Tanzania, Kenya, etc., and other countries and regions in Africa, Europe, and South America. Shandong Sishui Haiyun Food Processing Machine Company Limited is an ISO 9001-2008 certification company. SGS and SERI certification mean that the quality of the machine is very important to the manufacturer and customers. We adhere to the service concept of integrity, efficiency, satisfaction, and win-win. Think what customers think, and the business philosophy within the reach of customers. Our products sell well all over the world and are highly prized by users. We do our best to provide customers with the best service and products. We promise that once our service starts, we will be responsible to the end.